everyone, welcome to ecraftbox. Here's a unique idea you can make from a cardboard box. So keep watching. You can use them as regular baskets and you can double up the space and make it dust proof by giving it a cover. So I'm going to call this expandable baskets. So to make this, I have taken an old t-shirt and I'm going to cut exactly below the sleeves. And we are going to use this part to cover the cardboard box. Remove all the flips and the part we have cut near the sleeves will go at the bottom. And the lower part of the t-shirt where there is normally a stitch comes on the topper part of the box. Now as I told you earlier, stuff the box in such a way that you have the cut part, the part we have cut below the box, just the way I am doing it. And now we have to glue this t-shirt to the box like this. I am using the glue gun to fasten up the process. Now stick and similarly stick all the four sides. Now I have taken a paper, regular printer paper, and added the glue on all the four sides. And I'm going to stick at the bottom to give it a good clean look. Now flip the box and now again we are going to glue here. We are going to glue the t-shirt to the box on all the four sides like this. Glue all the four sides. Once you are done, we are going to add a satin ribbon. You may alternately use even a jute string. Now take a little excess here to tie a knot and measure double the measurement of the t-shirt and take two such strings. We have to cut two such strings. Now we are going to make a hole on all the four sides to pass the satin ribbon. I'm adding a safety pin and going to pass the satin ribbon all around the t-shirt. This is the reason we have taken the stitched part on the topper side of the box. Go all around the t-shirt and bring it out from the other direction. Similarly, we are going to use other ribbon to add from the opposite direction. Now first let me fasten a knot here. And now similarly we are going to add the satin ribbon from the opposite direction and bring it out on the opposite direction as well. This is the double string knot we have made, and it's as easy as that. Now for a small box, I am going to use only the sleeves of the t-shirt. This is slightly different from the way we made earlier. As I have two sleeves, I am going to add one sleeve on the top like this. Again, please note that I have taken the end of the sleeves on the top, and we are going to add the other sleeve like this. Again, unlike the earlier one, I have taken the stitched part of the sleeve on the top because we had two sleeves. And I have added both the sleeves and covered the box. Right? Add the glue nicely and make a neat cover for the box. Carefully cover it. Now again at the bottom, I am going to cover, add the glue and cover it. If you wish, you may add a paper and conceal the bottom as well, the way I showed it earlier. Now flip the box and let us stick the satin ribbon using the hot glue gun. This way we can even conceal the folds on the top where we have joined both parts of t-shirt sleeves. After adding one round of satin ribbon, we'll make a small bow. Please watch closely. Please follow the visuals to see how we are making the bow. Now let's add a small foam flower at the center, and now I am using a jute string on the top, just the way I showed earlier. I haven't done the double pull string, only a single string I have added. You may decorate in any way you wish with the materials available with you. Now for this box, it was quite large, so I had to use two t-shirts, one for the lower part and the other for the upper part like this. This is the one I showed. You may add a label or decorate in any way you wish. And for this basket, I had used a jute string, and I have used a cotton material for this and used the rope and wind it around the basket. And this one I had shown you already. You can see that I have added a tassel here. So don't throw those cardboard boxes anymore. Make such beautiful baskets for storage and have fun making them. Like, share and subscribe. See you next week.